My Typhon 18 mini Flex mini excavator came in. A couple of things that I liked about this: right grease fittings. Everything came greased. All the bolts were tight. The routing has rubber bushings around them. Everything's nicely done so far. I did use it for a little bit and tried to pull a stump. The stump was massive. Hydraulic thumb is good. The tracks, I'm not sure if I have the proper tension on them yet or not, but I'll figure that out. Build's pretty solid. I did have trouble getting that door open. A minor adjustment and it's good. Kubota D722 engine. Only got one pump. It does have a catch inside to hold the door open for you. Unfortunately, it has 3 different locks. The door, the back hatch, and the ignition all take different keys. My glass was all good, no issues whatsoever. There's a couple of things about the door build that are kind of shoddy. Look at the welds in here. It's not exactly the best, but it's about the same quality as a Jeep door, I guess. Here are the controls. Kill switch. It says on is up and off is down. However, if you turn it all the way down, you're back on. So it's just off and on. The tracks are levers. It does not have pedals, but there are bolt holes there, so you could put some pedals on, and I probably will. Your blade is there. Let's see what else we have. You got your lights, and you have your blade or tracks for spreading your tracks out or retracting them. The little control panel is okay. It does seem to be accurate on the fuel and the temperature. That's about all it's good for, though. The hour meter's okay also, I think, but I believe it only runs off the key itself instead of actually off the engine hours. Fuel is right there, so they really have done better on this one than the Typhon 18 because it's really accessible. Hydraulic fluid is under over there, but you don't have to get to that as often. There is one gap, and that's right there. But other than that, it's sealed up pretty good, so I don't think I'm going to have the engine heat issues that a lot of people have had. Standard joystick controls, throttles over there, there's your ignition, and your lockout for your hydraulics. Seat is okay, it's kind of comfortable. There's not a lot of space in here. You can lean the seat back farther with that little knob right there. It has a seat belt. I did have to tighten up the bolts on the seat. All the other bolts were good. Mine did not have a fire extinguisher when I got it. It was supposed to, but it didn't come with it. So I mounted a better one anyway. So I've got a larger fire extinguisher in case something really happens. And there's the glass breaker. I relocated it up to there. It comes with a few extra Kubota parts, filters, and let's see, you got the oil filter and an air filter, I believe. Nope, that's oil filter and a cartridge oil filter. Okay. Either way. Oh, there's the air filter. There's one back there. It comes with 2 little toolboxes, one that has a grease gun in it and a few extra O-rings. I'll not use that grease gun. I think I'll get something else. I need to put that up somewhere else, but I had it behind the seat and I was mounting the fire extinguisher, so I had to pull it out and put it there. The attachments, I haven't gotten all of them out yet, but it did come with grapples, a ripper, a wide bucket, a trenching bucket, regular tooth bucket, of course the quick hitch, and it was already installed on it, the hydraulic thumb, a rock hammer with a nitrogen tank and recharge kit, and I'm probably missing something else in there. I was hoping to get the screening bucket instead of the grapple because I could use that more, especially since I have a hydraulic thumb and bucket. I don't think that they're going to be necessary. All in all though, I paid just over $12,000 and it's pretty decent. The windshield wiper does work, though it's floppy and it's a pain to get the window up and down with it there. And there's a fan and it works also. I've ordered a solar panel that I'm going to permanently mount and connect it to the battery so that I can keep it trickle charged. That's about all. Hopefully this answers some questions for other people that are looking into buying it. I'll put up some videos of me using it soon. I did work on a huge oak stump, just going around it. Then I took a pickmatic for the last three roots that I couldn't get through, and I busted them out. It did okay. I haven't pulled the stump yet because I'm going to need to adjust my hydraulic pressure before that happens. They do ship, but the pressure is set pretty low. I'm not positive what it is yet because my fittings haven't came in. I have my gauge, just not the correct fittings for this one. So a couple more days and I'll work on that. Have a great one.